Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the car ready to be driven. Adjust seat and mirrors, buckle, and set steering so your arms bend slightly. Once done, verify tires, brakes, and gauges look normal and that no warning lights stay on. This prevents surprises. Start the engine, select the correct gear, and release the parking brake while keeping a foot on the brake pedal. Before you move, scan all directions and make sure the path is clear so your first motion is deliberate and safe. Once moving, you must control speed and space. Scan ahead and in mirrors to anticipate hazards 8 to 12 seconds away, which gives you time to react. Make sure to keep at least a 3-second following distance behind the vehicle ahead. Increase it in rain or at night. Use smooth throttle and progressive braking rather than sudden inputs, and steer toward your intended path rather than steering away from obstacles. This direct approach, as you finish a drive, bring the vehicle to a controlled stop using steady brake pressure and downshifts when appropriate to avoid overheating brakes. Once stopped, select park or first gear, set the parking brake, and verify the vehicle is secure before exiting. If something goes wrong, an ABS activation or a skid, stay calm. Ease off the brake if locked, steer gently into the skid direction to regain control, and once stable, pull over safely to inspect or call for help if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.